Hey there guys, so today I'm just going to go ahead and do some gameplay, and I wanted to share something because I'm super excited. So I've been on Chickensmoothie for almost 6 years now. I started in 2014. And you guys know that I got the UR for December the 18th if you watched that video. So now all the rarities have come out, so I'm going to be organizing my pets, and I just want to show you I've hit a milestone. Like for the 6 years that I've been, well, 5.5 years that I've been playing Chickensmoothie, I have never gotten a purple, you know, how the colors go. So it's commons, green, uncommons, yellow, and so on. I've never gotten a purple rarity. That's the wrong page. But I have now. I have it now. I need to find it to prove it to you guys. There we go. My very first super duper rare purple rare. That is so cool. I'm just super excited, and I want to share this milestone because I've been, like I said, playing for 6 years. So it's really awesome to finally have my first super duper rare. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go ahead and like trade this one off or keep it. I'll have to wait and see where it is on the rares list, because I love the bumblebee. Like, that's my dream. So I'll see if I have any chance of getting it. They're both oh my goodness so rare. I just go ahead and say oh my goodness. Okay, so what I typically do each month after the pets get their rarities, I go ahead and I just trade them all off. If I see a pet that I like, I'll go ahead and put it in my favorites tab, but usually I just go ahead and I put them all in the groups, like for trade groups. As you guys can see, I have for trade commons, harder to get, which are the rares and very rares, the list pets, and then the uncommons. I'm going to speed this up so you guys don't have to like watch it in slow motion, but you just kind of see me organize my pets. These things are rare. What? So I have a guinea pig collection. I have a collection of all the guinea pigs we've ever adopted on Chickensmoothie. So I'm not going to put these guys in the trade group unless I have doubles. So I'm going to go ahead and place these guys. Once I'm done with everything, I'm going to place these guys in their special guinea pig group. Because guinea pigs, I just love them. Goodness, I forgot about these guys. Look at how adorable they are. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, these guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move into my favorites because those are quite adorable. So let's see. Favorites. It's all the way down here. Yeah. Not for trade. So that was all of the commons. So now it's time to go through the uncommons and my favorites. So these guys are rares, so we'll put them in the harder to get. I will actually, I think, put one in my blessings group so I can gift it to someone. And then these are going to go into my favorites because I like them. I like the way they look. So, oops, that'll go all the way in here. And then last but not least, this one. I think I'm going to place it, I'll place it in lists for now. I am going to use it towards the bee because I really want the bee. I think the bee is adorable. And then these guys can go into the commons group. I just didn't want to go through all the trouble of having to do so many of them on this page. I don't know if you guys know what I'm saying, but I do. I didn't want to check more pets than I had to. So commons. Alright. So that is how I organize my pets. So I needed to name my new guinea pigs added to the collection. So I don't know if I have all of the guinea pigs, because I know I do in my commons group. I don't know if I've accidentally put some in the commons group when it was supposed to go in here. But I do have the full guinea pig collection. I have the oldest ones back here. So the old line arts, and then the newer ones. So from all of the years. And they all have names. So I need to name my newest babies. Most of the time I just do a random name because there's so many of them to name. And if I don't like one name, I just go ahead and generate another. Theodore. Oh my goodness, that's actually pretty cute. Keat, not so much. So we'll find another one. Gubby. I don't know what kind of name that is. Apex. Europe. Oscar. I like Oscar. That's a little different. Birdie. That's kind of cute. Icebreaker. Nah. Darts. Sounds about right. B. Rachel. I don't know if that's Rachel or not. So now I put F and M. So for male and female. So if their names sound female, I do F, and if they sound male, I put M. Birdie sounds female. Skipster sounds male. Shima sounds female. Oscar sounds, of course, male. Apex actually sounds male. Gubby sounds male. And then Theodore, of course, is male. Save pet name changes, and that's my guinea pigs. Oh no, this guy's unnamed. I'll name him later. So basically I just wanted to video my organizing, and I also wanted to show you guys my great accomplishment with my rarest pet that I have right now that I got on December the 18th. So thank you guys so much for watching. I think I'm going to go ahead and add this video to the series, the Chicken Smoothie series that I created, because it was more of a gameplay. All of my videos are pretty much gameplay, but I'm going to go ahead and start making these videos episodes. So if you like it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and I'll continue to make episodes for this series. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.